Hello, this is Sneaker Love, and today I have the perfect shoe for me because this is the Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day. We're gonna do an unboxing and review on this shoe. This is the box of the shoe, a red box with a white Jumpman, and on the side we have the Jumpman Air in white as well. We have black speckles on the bottom of the box, and when we open the box we can see the tissue paper that comes with red kisses and a dedication card. Let's take a look at these. This card is so dope because we can dedicate this shoe to a loved one. We have the Jumpman logo and kisses on the side. Now let's see the shoes, removing the tissue paper. We have regular white tissue paper. And this is the Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day. This is a very nice looking sneaker. The colorway of these Air Jordan 4 is just beautiful. And Nike is really protecting the shoe. We even have a piece of paper on the tongue of the shoe. Look at the Jumpman and Fly in red. The quality of the leather, even on the tongue, is incredibly good. The shoe comes always with tail laces, red eyelets on the shoe, These hard hang tag is so beautiful. Then we have the wing, also in leather, the netting on the side of the shoe. But we're going to enjoy the most about this Air Jordan 4 is the leather quality. This is the best leather I've seen on a pair of Air Jordan 4 in the past 5 years. This is premium felon leather. We have more red on the midsole and also sail as well. And on the bottom of the shoe we have red on the stars area, sail on the center, the Jumpman red on the back. Nice outsole. The subliner of the shoe comes in red, the insole comes in white with red kisses, a black Jumpman, and on the back of the tongue we have more kisses, and then we have the Jumpman on the heel tab. I love the Jumpman on the back of the Air Jordan 4. I'm kinda tired of Nike putting Nike Air on everything. This type of shoes need the Jumpman, not the Nike Air. And the quality is good. It's very good. I love the leather used for these Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day. The red on the midsole shines beautifully. I love it. I love it. What do you think about these Air Jordan 4s dedicated for Valentine's Day? This is a unisex shoe that Nike released in women's size, but the shoe also comes in a standard size. So if you want to wear these shoes, you are a man, this shoe will be available for you as well. For me, it's a beautiful shoe that I'm super glad to have, but it's time for you to share your opinion with me. This was Sneaker Love with another sneaker review.